How to quickly learn KNX programming in a few hours. Have you ever wished to master KNX programming and set up the entire automation of your building within just a few hours? Do you find joy in learning through interactive and entertaining methods rather than enduring lengthy seminar days? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Understanding the need for efficient KNX programming. In today's fast-paced world, where time is of the essence, the ability to swiftly grasp and implement KNX programming is invaluable. KNX, as a standard for home and building control, offers immense potential for automation, energy efficiency, and comfort. However, diving into KNX programming often seems daunting, especially for beginners. The challenge. Traditionally, acquiring proficiency in KNX programming involved extensive theoretical learning, followed by practical applications over months. This approach, while thorough, is time-consuming and may not align with the urgency of modern projects. The solution. Enter a revolutionary approach, a comprehensive KNX programming course designed to condense months of learning into just a few hours. Led by Quickly Learn, a pioneer in the field of smart homes, this course promises to empower both homeowners and electricians to master KNX programming swiftly and efficiently. What to expect from the course? 8-hour step-by-step guide. Imagine having a detailed roadmap at your fingertips, guiding you through every aspect of KNX programming. This course provides precisely that, an 8-hour journey filled with practical demonstrations and insights, ensuring that you emerge as a KNX pro by the end of it. 18 comprehensive sections. Delve into 18 meticulously crafted sections, each offering approximately 10,000 details essential for mastering KNX programming. From setting up basic configurations to advanced functionalities like integrating weather stations and implementing energy-saving measures, every aspect is covered exhaustively. Lifetime access and updates. Once enrolled, you gain lifetime access to the course materials, ensuring that you can revisit and reinforce your knowledge whenever needed. Moreover, as the field of KNX evolves, so does the course content, with regular updates to keep you abreast of the latest advancements.